Hey there, Kim here. Today's video is going to be so much fun because we're going to go over how you can find out how much money your favorite YouTuber is currently making for YouTube AdSense only. So if their channel's monetized, you just kind of want to get an idea of how much money they're making from YouTube ads, then this is definitely the video for you. Obviously, this doesn't consider a million other ways that they could be making money as far as like brand deals, affiliate products, coaching, like whatever. This is strictly YouTube monetization. The reason why I'm doing this video is there is a secret tool that you can use, and it's pretty accurate. And whatever. I'll share with you all the fun stuff. One of the reasons why I want to share this is because it could determine what niche you want to go into or not. YouTube is amazing, but there's so many different directions that we can go in. Meaning, I know for myself, I went back and forth for at least a year of what kind of channel I wanted to create. And what did I do for that year? I did absolutely nothing because I was too busy thinking of what direction to go into. So let's get into it. There is a tool called Social Blade. And so, just for an example, I just went on YouTube and there is this compilation channel called Fail Army. So, what you want to do is you go to the website Social Blade, you put in the username, and as you can see, we're here, and it gives some stats, right? It's 627 uploads, 17 million subscribers. They're based in the US when the channel was created. So it gives a lot of information. They have a credit score. They have a score of B plus. Now, as your channel gets established, that'll go up, right? So like when you first get monetized, don't be surprised if you have like a D minus, but totally cool. Just keep playing by the rules, keep uploading videos, and that'll actually get up to, B plus to an A. So, again, some other stats that they have right here. So estimated earnings, it could range from $14,000 a month all the way up to $225,000 a month. Whoa, that's a lot. And then the views for the last 30 days, 56 million. Now this channel might be skewed a little bit, although they obviously get a lot of views on their channel, but I haven't figured out how to separate shorts from long form video. So I do believe that this channel does do shorts as well. So that could be skewing the numbers up a little bit higher. So just keep that in mind when you're looking at your favorite YouTuber on this on Social Blade, because if they do post a lot of shorts and the shorts get a lot of views, it could kind of skew these numbers a little bit. But if they are just doing long form videos, then this is pretty accurate. And in fact, when I was monetized on YouTube a couple of years ago, I would actually multiply this higher number by 4, and that's what I was making. But I think I'm not monetized, so I'm not gonna say anything. However, I always find that, if people are saying how much money they made on YouTube now, it's definitely higher than the second number listed here. So just kind of keep that in mind. Usually, but again, here is the range that you want to, follow. So usually it says like how many subscribers. Now what happens is you can actually, there's a setting in YouTube, and I can't remember what it is. But you can actually turn it off, so then Social Blade doesn't get your most recent numbers. So here's an example of a channel that I was actually following during the pandemic. This guy absolutely exploded. He's up to $2.2 million, $2.2 million, 2.2 million subscribers. And as you could see, the last 30 days, he was able to get 40,000 subs last 30 days, his views was 2.2 million. And then, as you can see, he still gets a ton of views as well as a ton of subscribers every single day. And then here's like a graph that kind of goes over, the last couple of months. And usually when you see a dip like this, not 100% sure, but I do believe that they may have deleted some videos. Could be wrong. But what's cool about this guy is, and this just goes to show you, you can create any kind of video on YouTube. Like, his videos, he usually posts one every day. And like, look at his thumbnails. His thumbnails, he doesn't have any, which I think is just so cool. It just shows you that if your content is that good, you don't even need a thumbnail. And this guy just developed such a great rapport with people during the pandemic that people just continue to follow him. Another niche that I was thinking about going into was work from home jobs. So, here I'm in YouTube. I did a search work from home. And let's just say we pull up this YouTuber's channel. And what you want to do is grab their username, copy it, and then we want to paste it. And then obviously do a search. Now for her, she created her channel back in 2013, 250,000 subscribers, and her monthly AdSense revenue only is around $733 per month. And then for the year, we have around 8,000. But as you can see, daily, how many subs as well as video views. Usually if a couple days go by and you get 1,000 subs, for some reason it lists separately like this. Now, if you are someone, you're growing your channel and maybe you only get like 10 subs a day, it'll literally say like Friday, 10 subs, Saturday, 20 subs, whatever. And then if you see, it's really cool because if you see a spike in the amount of views, then most cases you'll see a spike in obviously the subscribers. So this is what it looks like when you're not monetized, because this channel is not monetized because I just started posting on it, right? So again, it has, when I created it, my views, subs, uploads, etc., etc. Here are my stats, right? And actually I haven't even looked at this before. And then did I delete a video? I'm trying to think. That would have been back in February. I don't know. Anyway, so you can definitely track your own stuff. And if I were to be monetized, I forgot to mention this. If I were to be monetized, it would give an estimate of how much you made or your favorite YouTuber made on a specific day. So maybe they did have a video blow up on a specific day. It'll say, the range would be like up to $100. And it's just such a cool tool because again, if you're not 100% sure what niche you should be diving into, but you want to, you want to know what your favorite YouTuber makes on YouTube Sense, on AdSense, YouTube Sense. Oh my gosh, I've been talking way too much and the day just started. Anyway, you get one of them. So yeah, have fun with this tool. I think it's really cool. And in fact, before we end, let's see how much Mr. Beast is making. All right, so 818 uploads, 318 million subscribers, and then estimated earnings is 8.4 million a month. No words, right? No words. And he got 5 million subs last month. All we want is 1,000. So anyway, this was day 3 of the 90-day challenge. My goal, hopefully, is for you to get monetized in 90 days, because that's my goal for this channel here. And in the past, I've been able to get 2 channels monetized within 90 days. So I figure, you know what? I'll try again with this one and see what happens. So if you're interested in following along, I will be posting a video every single day to help you. And tomorrow, I'm going to upload a video that I actually recorded, I forget, like probably even 2 years ago, about picking a niche. So if you want an idea of how you go about picking a niche, how to guarantee that it'll be successful, because these are the steps that I used to get my last channel monetized, then subscribe and tune in tomorrow. Thank you for watching.